Hi, I'm Kenny over here at Affordable Automotive. We're going to be talking about AC maintenance tips today. We usually see three common problems when dealing with AC. One of the first problems we see is that the AC may be working, getting cool, but not cold. The second problem we sometimes see is that noticing moisture coming out of the vents, almost like a cloud. That also can indicate a possible failure for your AC system. And the third one that we find most common is while driving down the road, the vehicle seems to work just fine, cooling the inside of the vehicle like it should. But then when you get to that stoplight, well, that's when it starts warming up a little bit. Those three things sometimes can be a common failure point that we see with AC systems. Let's take a look under the hood, see what we find. There's a few problems that we find with AC systems. During an AC performance check, we're always looking at AC refrigerant. We use this AC recovery and discharge machine that we add dye to. Whenever that dye is added, it helps give us a chance at finding out where that leak may be in the refrigerant system. Another component that we find fail is this fan up here. That fan at a stoplight helps draw air in through that radiator and condenser, giving you cold air. So if you happen to be experiencing warmer air at a stoplight, that could be an issue. And thirdly, these cars are getting more complicated. So outside of those two, if it is something causing issue, bring it on by and we'll be happy to take a look.